Hello everybody, this is for guided exercise number 2 so home office branch and agency accounting guided exercises. Okay, so ang gagawin ko is hahati-hatiin ko ito so that we can I can discuss it as I answer. Okay, so I have already answered problem 1. Okay, that's the what do you call that, the reconciliation for adjusted balances. Okay, so I have not put the given here, so you can just read your guided exercises. Okay, so let's start first with letter A. The shipment in transit, that's the home office, shipped merchandise worth 20,000 to the branch during December 30, 20x1, which the latter has received and recorded only in January 20x2. So, ano nangyari is late recording, shipment in transit. So, dapat ni-record na siya noong December. So, dapat ang kanyang journal entry is shipment from HO credit home office, which is an increase sa home office account for 20,000. That's why I have put shipment in transit adjustment na increase sa home office account na 20,000. I have also presented the unadjusted balances, which is 156,000 daw for the investment in branch and 70,200 for the home office. Okay, so that's letter A. So, madali lang, di ba? Okay. Next, we have letter B. The home office collected 10,000 accounts receivable on behalf of the branch. The branch did not yet receive the credit memo sent by the home office. So, hindi pa daw nare-receive ng branch. Okay, so pag na-receive na niya, okay, dapat ang kanyang recording, because it's a credit memo on the part of the home office, ibig sabihin, credit memo, deduction sa investment in branch. Sa part ng branch, it should be a deduction sa home office account. So, we debit home office 10,000 and credit cash na 10,000. Okay. So, yung home office na daw yung nagkolekta. Kaya, tanggalin na daw sa libro ni branch. So, that's 10,000 deduction. Okay, as an adjustment sa home office books. Okay, next we go to return of damaged merchandise, which is the branch returned damaged merchandise worth 30,000 to the home office. The home office did not yet receive the debit memo sent by the branch. So, in transit pa lang din yung damaged goods. So, pag na-receive siya ni home office, that's a debit memo on the part of the branch. Ibig sabihin, deduction siya. So, deduction din siya sa investment in branch. So, we do it by debiting shipments to branch na 30,000 and then credit investment in branch, which is a deduction 30,000, kaya adjustment of 30,000. Okay, so next we do unrecorded remittance. A remittance of cash collections amounting to 40,000 was not yet recorded by the home office. So, nag-remit na daw si branch, pero hindi pa nire-record ni home office. Pag nire-record ni home office, what would be the journal entry? We debit cash kasi naka-receive siya ng cash, and we credit investment in branch kasi nabawasan na yung i-remit ni branch sa kanya. So, kaya investment in branch should be adjusted, deduction of 40,000. Okay? Next, we do letter E. The home office allocated overhead cost of 5,000 to the branch, which the latter has recorded twice. Okay, so dalawang beses daw niyang ni-record. Okay, so kumbaga, kung maalala niyo yung journal entry natin for allocation ng home office sa branch, kumbaga, dalawang salaries expense as overhead cost. Okay, so, dito, ang nangyari is dalawang overhead cost debit, then credit home office. Diba, ganun tayo mag-record ng allocation. Naka-credit ang home office, which is an increase. Okay, kaya, tanggalin natin yung isang 5,000, which is we have to debit home office 5,000 and then credit overhead cost na 5,000. Okay, kasi nagdoble daw. So, kaya deduction sa home office accounts na 5,000. Okay, next. Last one, we have freight charge of 12,000 paid by the home office for shipments of merchandise to the branch was recorded by the latter as 1,2. Grabe naman. Okay, so mali na agad kasi from 12, lumipat yung comma, naging 1,2 na lang. So, ang laki nung magiging mathematical mistake niya. Okay? Yung misstatement. Kaya, we debit freight in, kasi diba, ganun tayo mag-record ng freight in, naka-debit, which is an addition to the cost of the inventory. Kaya debit freight in, 10,800. And then we credit home office, 10,800. Kaya adjustment, 10,800. Now, what you do is, you sum all of this from the unadjusted balance, deduct 30, deduct 40, you will be given an 86,000. And then also for this, you do the summation of from the 70.2 unadjusted balance plus 20 minus 10 minus 5 plus 10.8, you'll be given 86,000 pesos and adjusted balances na balance na siya. Okay, that's how you do the basic reconciliation. Okay, you have to remember to do this para hindi ka nang huhula na lang at hindi ka nawawala sa landas. Okay, so that's for problem 1. Okay, next we answer problem 2. That is title, recording of credit and debit memos. Okay, so remember that credit memos and debit memos depends on who is the one na nagbigay. Okay, the sending party. So kung ang sending party is ang branch at sinabing nag-credit memo siya, ibig sabihin lang nun is yung sinasabi ni branch na yung account na nasa akin as the branch, which is the home office account, ay credit ko. Pag credit, ibig sabihin in-increase ko. Okay, yung home office account. So, ibig sabihin, pag nakatanggap si home office ng credit memo, yung account ni branch dapat i-increase din niya, or yung as reciprocal accounts dapat i-increase din niya credit memo. Okay, again, credit memos and debit memos, ang nature nila is depending on who is the sending party and who is the recipient party. Okay, so let's start this problem solving. So if you read the problem, you will see that the unadjusted balance of the investment in branch is 182,000. What do we need to know? We need to know the unadjusted balance of the home office account. How do we do that? We squeeze it. Okay? Mag-squeeze tayo. Pero before we squeeze everything, we have to lay down all of the given information. Okay? So let's start first with letter A. A credit memo sent by the home office to the branch amounting to 12,000 was not recorded by the branch. This is credit memo, ang nagbigay ay home office. Ibig sabihin, credit memo, credit yung investment in branch, which is a deduction. Hindi daw ni-record ni branch. So, they should be deducting 12,000 sa home office account. Okay? Andali, di ba? Okay, next. A debit memo sent by the home office, okay, to the branch amounting to 9,000 was not recorded by the branch. So, debit memo. Ibig sabihin, nag-debit si home office sa investment in branch, which is an increase. So, dapat si home office mag-i-increase din ng 9,000 sa reciprocal account niya, which is the home office account. Okay? Easy, easy. Next, letter C. A credit memo sent by the branch to the home office amounting to 20,000 was recorded by the home office twice. Okay, so this one, credit memo, ang nagbigay is ang branch. So, pag nag-credit memo si branch, ibig sabihin nag-increase yung account, yung reciprocal accounts. Okay, nag-increase yung reciprocal accounts. Ang problema is, dalawang beses niya nilagay yung increase. So, dahil dalawang beses niya nilagay ni home office yung increase, okay, kailangan mag-deduct siya ng isang 20,000. Okay, kaya deduct 20,000. Napasipag si home office. Okay? Next, letter D, a debit memo by the branch, the home office, amounting to 30,000 was recorded by home office as 3,000 lang. So, this one is debit memo from the branch. Ibig sabihin, dinebit niya yung home office account, which is a decrease, a deduction. And ang problema is, kulang yung na-record ni home office. Ang na-record lang niya is 3,000 lang. So, 30,000 siya dapat, minus 3,000, kulang pa siya ng 27,000, okay, as deduction. So, dapat maglalagay ka ng deduction na 27,000 because nagbigay si branch ng debit memo worth 30,000, pero bakit 3,000 lang? Okay, so I hope that's clear. Okay, next. The branch sent by mistake a credit memo amounting to 7,000 to the home office. The home office did not record it. So, sa part ng home office, wala kang re-record kasi hindi naman siya nag-record yung credit memo eh. Kumbaga, initsapwera lang yung credit memo. However, remember that the branch is nag-credit. Okay, which is hindi daw dapat. Hindi daw dapat siya nag-credit. Okay, so, pero nag-credit na siya. Ibig sabihin, sa part ni branch, may mistake siya. So, dahil nag-credit siya, nag-increase yung account ni home office. Okay, so, dapat mag-deduct siya ng 7,000. Okay? Bawasan niyo ng 7,000 yung home office account. Okay? So, yun. Okay. Now, looking at it, okay, without knowing na ang balance niya is 135. So, kunwari is nasagutan natin, 135,000 yung balance ng investment in branch kasi siya yung kompletong side. Okay? So, alam natin dapat balance yung reciprocal accounts, kaya I carried over 135,000 dito sa kabila. Now, I want to go from here to here. So, we just, because this is the foot, we do the footing. So, this is the end foot, okay? Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is we go up, we squeeze, and when we do that, we reverse the mathematical, what do you call that? Mathematical operation. So 135,000. So, this one is plus 7,000. This one is minus 9,000. This one is plus 12,000. You'll get 135,000. 145,000. Okay, so am I correct? Let's check. Okay, let's do the summation just for checking purposes. Charan! 135,000. So, we're correct. Okay? Meron din paraan na, kunwari, ito, lalabas is net negative 10,000. Okay, that negative 10,000, then you just, you add it with 135, lalabas yung 145. Pero, syempre, nakakalito yun. Dito na lang tayo sa mas safe na paraan na squeezing part. Okay? So, I hope this problem I solved on your part and naintindihan nyo kung yung mga nangyari. Okay? So, okay guys, this is for problem 3, last problem for the guided exercise for reconciliation. Okay, sorry, nung mga nauna kong mga sounds is rinig niyo yung electric fan ko. Okay, so please bear with the sounds. Okay, sobrang init kasi ngayon, kasi may bagyo, pero hindi pa naulan. So, mainit talaga. Okay, so I have already answered problem 3. So, let's walk through it. Mag-walk through tayo. Okay. Sabi, if you have read the problem, the unadjusted balances of the investment in branch account is 95, and for the home office is 132. Now, let's look at the information gathered. For letter A, the home office allocated unpaid utilities expense amounting to 10,000 to the branch, which the branch did not record in full. Instead, the branch sent a wrong adjusting memo to the home office, reducing the charge by 2,500 and setting up a liability for the remaining amount. Okay, so ang ginawa niya is nag-debit siya. If you follow the narrative, nag-debit daw siya ng expense, binawasan niya ng 2,500, so 7,500 na lang. Tapos, ang ginawa niya, sa halip na home office yung credit niya, ewan baga sa kanya, bakit nagkagayon. Nag-credit siya ng liabilities na 10K. Okay, so nasan yung home office dyan? Dapat kasi magre-reflect siya kasi allocation siya ni home office sa expenses ni branch. Okay, dapat magre-reflect si home office account. However, sa naging entry niya, wala. So, dapat ang entry niya is debit utilities expense, credit home office, which is an increase of 10,000. Kaya, you have to increase the home office as reconciliation procedure at 10,000. Okay, ganun lang. You just have to follow what the narrative tells you. and imagine ano ba yung ginawa ni accountant na journal entry. Okay, so yan. Next, letter B. Erroneous credit by home office. So the home office erroneously credited the branch for return of shipment of merchandise worth 25,000. The branch did not make any return of merchandise. Yan ang problema natin eh. Wala namang dapat i-record, nag-record ka. Okay, so erroneously. So na-credit, ibig sabihin nabawasan yung branch, yung investment in branch account. So paano daw yung kanyang naging entry. Okay, so we have shipments to branch and then credit investment in branch. Pero dapat wala namang entry ilalagay kasi wala namang ibinalik si branch. Kaya ibalik mo yung 25,000 kay investment in branch. Okay? Next, we have letter C. The branch mistakenly received a copy of the home office correcting entry for item B above dated January 3, 20x2 and entered a credit in favor of the home office on December 31, 20x1. So, dito is nirecord mo na agad yung transaction. Hindi pa dapat ire-record. January 3 pa dapat. Okay, so yung dapat entry niya is wala, pero nag-entry ka, kasi sabi dito, and enter the credit in favor of the home office on December 31, 20x1. So, in-increase mo yung account ni home office, sa home office account niya, naglagay ka ng shipments from HO, 25,000, and then credit home office, 25,000. Okay, dapat January 3 pa siya. Okay, so, kaya, deductan mo. Okay? Alisin mo yung 25,000 kasi sasala ka, magmi-misstatement ka by year-end kasi dapat January pa siya. So, hindi tama yung, wala kang faithful representation. Okay? So, deductan mo. Asin mo siya sa home office. Okay? And then the last one, the branch mistakenly sent home office a debit memo amounting to 3,000 for an apparent remittance of collection which did not happen. The home office did not record the debit memo. So, walang recording si home office, so wala siyang adjustments. Okay? However, kay branch, nag-debit memo kasi siya eh. So, ibig sabihin, dinebit niya yung home office account kasi nag-debit memo siya eh. So, ganito yung naging entry niya. Debit home office, 3,000, and then credit cash. Okay? Pero, wala naman daw nangyaring ganun. Walang nangyaring remittance. Okay? Apparent remittance. So, siguro, simula ito ng fraud. Okay? Kaya, ibalik mo yung 3,000 sa home office account. Kasi wala naman talaga nangyaring ganun transaction. Okay? So, ang requirement sa atin, okay, is net adjustments and adjusted balance. So, for the investment in branch, isa lang naman yung naging adjustment niya, which is the 25,000, kaya 25. And for the branch, masyadong maraming adjustment sa kanya. So, we have 10,000 increase, decrease of 25,000, and then increase of 3,000. Okay, with a net adjustment of 12,000 negative. Okay, so deduction of 12,000. Okay, so next we have adjusted balances and reciprocal accounts. Syempre, you just sum everything up. Kaya 120,000 balance for 120,000 for home office balance. And we're done with guided exercises for reconciliation. So please make abang the lecture for special accounting for HOB. Okay, and then the guided exercise, I'll be uploading it too. Okay, kasi still rendering. Okay, so yeah. Okay, bye-bye. See you when I see you and see you sa next lesson.